Uh, Hindi, ayun, it's good. Malumay kasi hawak eh. It's good na all of us know each other na going, before getting into set, tapos doing all the scenes. Kasi yun nga, very distinct yung characters namin from each other. And alam namin if we're in conflict or kung friends ba kami or what. So, going to set with, knowing that, tas hanging outside of set, kumbaga parang naproprotect namin yung dynamics namin in character and outside. We have this understanding na, okay, we're not working. Tayo muna, hard muna, alam mo yun, we can have fun, like Sir Joel said. But pagdating sa set, seryoso lahat. Professional talaga lahat. Pag in character na po si Sir Joel as Uno, tahimik. Everyone listens to him, everyone pays attention. So it's nice to have that environment, especially we are working with icons. And I tell Sir Joel every day that it's such an honor to be able to work with them. Because we all learn. We're all learning from them. And yeah, it's been such a fun set to be in. And it's such a fun cast to be around.
Yeah. Okay, on a side note, just one question. Siyempre, nandun ka sa magiging part ng mga terrorist na atake sa La Playa Roja.
Heist people.
Oh, heist people.
Heist people.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan na yung isa sa mga gagawin mong hostage, yung isa sa mga vloggers?
Makikita po natin yun sa show. Makikita natin yun sa show.
Naka-incorporate siya?
Yes. Yes. So makikita po natin yan kung ano yung arc ni Jules.
Okay. Nasa chismoso lang ako eh. Okay, at least may aabangan kaming ganong angle. Okay. Emilio! Okay.
Kuya, sobrang saya na makasama itong mga veterans, of course, and the new friends in the industry now. Kasi, syempre, bago lang po ako dito. But, learning from the greats here, like, sina Tito Raymond, Tito Joel, Tito Lorna, Tito Janice, Donnie and Kyle, and of course, Maymay as well. Grabe talaga the professionalism that I observe from them. They take their craft very, very seriously, and it's no wonder why they're so successful. So it's an honor to be working with them. And of course, making new friends with the industry, kasi ang dami nila eh. We're like 40. And we really have a lot of fun on our day offs. We all get together, we eat together. And when it's on set, like what Harvey said, it's really game on, professional talaga. And everyone brings their A game.
Yeah, it's true. Well, on a side note, when we say veterans, okay, from here on forward, when we say that word, it just means you guys are living legends. Okay? And it's a title that everyone wants to have. It's a good kind of title. Okay? Pangalawa, I want to say congratulations, bro. Kasi back to back acting projects for Emilio this is one great series to be part of. Napakagaling mo. You're in the right track. Wow! You're in the right track. Okay. Thanks, Emilio. Lou, before you answer the question, baka may gusto kang batingin dito sa cinema.
Hi. To my family.
Family na palang tawag sa kanya.
And hello to...
Okay. Lou, go ahead.
What was the question?
Kamusta ba yung dynamics with one another sa mga eksena niyo rito?
Yes. But to be honest with you, Quiz, Roja accepting this, I thought I was not gonna have lines, just as like yung first two series ko. So when I got there and I read the script, I was like, damn.
May linya?
She's a badass.
Oh wow, yeah.
She has to act. It really helped na kasama ko ngayon yung mga icons. It's such a powerhouse cast, so it helps. And then I just asked, and I just feel grateful because kahit hindi ako magtanong or just like, I asked and then I learned a lot from them during the scenes. But just being around them, the energy, everyone on set, the professionalism, I learned and grew so much from this project. So and it's still ongoing, so I'm excited for it.
Yeah.
And I'm
Can I just say,
Of course.
sobrang marami kayong mga eksena na aabangan talaga kay Lou. Sobrang galing niya dito. I was so happy I just want to say thank you to Lou for accepting this project. Napakagaling na mga action scenes niya. Sa kanila ni Donnie, sa kanila ni Maymay. Wala pa kayo nakikita kasi sa 3 episodes eh. Pero sa kanila, Lou has a lot of really intense action scenes. And hanga kami sa kanya. Yun lang. Yun ang gusto ko ito.
Nabalitaan ko nga sa sobrang galing daw ni Lou, muntik nang palitan yung Roja ng Lou. Ganun katindi yung kagalingan ni Lou sa serye ito. No, but looking forward to those scenes, Lou. Abangan natin to. From Sais. Ito ang mistaken, Sais. Okay. Now, we got a question from Ate Melbs. Ate Melba Lanera from Pep and Bulgar. For Donnie Pangilinan, gaano kalaking challenge para sa iyo ang gumawa ng isang proyekto bilang solo actor at di kasama si Bel bilang kapareha mo?
Bilis naman. Malaki ngayon.
Ang tindi ng question eh, from Ate Melbs eh.
Gano'ng kalaking challenge? Malaking challenge siya. Siyempre, nakakapanibago. Kasi, like I said in other interviews, it's been quite some time na since I acted in a teleserye na. Actually, feeling ko, lahat ng shows, if I would do a series, would be with Bel most of the time, diba? So for the past 5 years, well, 6 years, magkasama kami. And I think this is something we both talked about talaga. And she's also able to do, you know, her own projects. So entering, I didn't know what to expect. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung magiging relationship ko with the cast members, kung ano yung magiging dynamics namin. And it's my first time also to do a project, syempre, na yung co-lead ko is someone na kaibigan ko rin na lalaki. It's very different, the dynamics. Diba? So that in itself, syempre, may pressure. But entering, I knew that it would also entail a lot of growth and maturity. And when you leave that comfort zone, parang dun mo rin nararamdaman yung mga emotions na hindi mo nararamdaman dati. Mga eksena hindi mo nagagawa dati. And yeah, me and Bel are very supportive towards each other, and I think it's a very great position to be in.
Always towards about growth, di ba? Di ba yun naman ang gusto natin lahat, growth. At may pinapasabi rin pala si Bel, it's okay to meet and greet, you know, other people, but we'll never say goodbye.
Ang ganda naman yun.
Eh, nung sabi na kanina, katabi ko si Bel.
At dahil dyan, panoorin niyo po ang Meet, Greet, and Buy. Makakita po yan. November 11 po, ang premiere. Ayan.
ABS.
Ang premiere.
Premiere.
Oh, alam mo, mali ako.
November 11, ang premiere, November 12.
Yes.
Oh, alam ni Donnie yan. Okay, another question for Donnie, and also for Kyle, coming from Danielle of Star Express. This is your first big action drama in Roja. How did you get ready physically and mentally for the tough stunts and fights? Any funny ouch moments from training?
May funny moment to, pero hindi siya nagtitrain, hindi siya nag-action. May nangyari lang sa kanya.
I have a big scar on my leg, pero it didn't come from any action scene. Natangahan lang po na nangyari sa set. Okay na?
Ano nangyari?
Hindi, ito nakita ko kasi siya. Minsan kasi hindi kami magkasama. So galing sa ibang unit, galing din ako ibang unit. So gumagano'n siya. Dumudugo. Sabi ko, grabe bro, ano yung eksena na sinot nyo? Sobrang solid siguro ng action scene na yan, sabi niya sa akin. Bro, nahulog yung speaker ko.
Ang lalim ng sugat.
Ang lalim ng sugat
Oo,
ko.
scar talaga oh.
Pero maraming eksena.
Hindi, pero maraming eksena. Actually, I think lahat kami, we can all agree na after the scenes, the next day, the next morning, magugulat ka na lang, ang dami mong bruises all over your body. All of us. I think everyone because we all go through some sort of action in this film, in this series. So, that's what we mean by literal blood, sweat, and tears. Pero enjoy naman, it's part of the process.
Bugbog na yung emotion mo. Bugbog pa yung katawan mo. Pero sulit na sulit. Kasi ang ganda na ang ganda ng Roja.
Thank you, Kuya Robs.
Okay. Now, from Kyle, let's have Kai. Montenola. Okay, Kai? The question is, working with Donnie Pangilinan and Kai Lechari looks fun. What's the best part about acting with them, especially after your MMK episode with Kyle? May mga how do you say it? Kyle? Kyle. Over there. Baby shark.
Again, first of all, I'm so honored to be a part of this cast. Like, even to be sitting here is crazy. Honestly, I'm so nervous. And to answer that question, since I've already worked with Kyle, to be working with all of these people is so nakaka-nervous. Kasi syempre, as a baguhan lang din, I'm trying my best to observe everything and do the right thing as an actress, as I am introduced now as an actress. So, working with Kyle and Donnie has been so much fun. Kasi hindi nila pinapa-feel sa akin na I'm a baguhan. And they very much welcome me in this cast. So did everyone else. Sorry, natatawa ako. Wala lang. Happy lang, di ba? Happy naman.
Ano mga naalala lang si Kai? Siguro yung mga TikTok videos na ginagawa nila doon. Baka lang naman.
Di ba happy? Super happy. Happy ka ba?
Oh, sobra ba?
Di ba? Diba?
Si Kai yung
Hindi, alis muna tayo.
Si Kai yung tinatanong ko dito.
Ano ako ba?
Okay, sige.
No, syempre naman. Kasi those happy moments were shared with Kyle and these other wonderful cast. So, it was fun. And also, as Harvey said and Emilio, that on set, it's still fun, but professionalism is practiced and is there. So, as a baguhan, nakikita ko yun and I adapt to that. And it's really great to be a part of this. And as my first show, like long-term show, I'm very happy to be a part of it. And yeah, 2 more happy moments.
Oh. Happy?
Happy.
Okay. Okay. Just a follow-up right here from Jeffrey Olila Garcia, Jeff Oligar TV. I think nasagot na ni Kai yung katanungan, but if you have any follow-ups regarding this is your official teleserye debut. After your cameo appearance in Saving Grace and your remarkable performance sa MMK with Kyle, what was your biggest challenge or task na hinarap mo during the tapings of Roja? I think nasagot mo na, but do you want to add more?
My biggest challenge.
Biggest challenge.
I guess my biggest challenge is waiting. Kasi hindi naman.
Welcome to the taping world.
Let me explain myself. So parang kasi yan. It's a waiting game talaga. And grabe, hindi na ako yung naghihintay. Everyone else is waiting. Everyone. But then that's the beauty of this job. Because as you wait, there you get to think about what to do with your time. Will you spend it wisely? Or do you decide to do something else? So in those waiting times, iniisip ko, should I run through my lines? Am I doing this good enough? Emilio, what do you think? You know? Parang, ginagawa ko ba ito ng maayos?
Napaparating ka na rin, di ba?
Yes! Kasi, wait lang, call time ko na, di ba? Wait lang, what time is it pa? Pero, in those waiting times, even if it's a struggle to think about what to do, again, I'm very thankful that this is the cast that I have to deal with because they're so much fun. And I'm always with Emilio and AC and most of the people here, so thank you. Thank you to them because they really helped me push through as a baguhan. Yeah. Props to us!
Kaya just to remind you, this is Roja, not PBB, ah. Kala mo
Sorry, kuya.
Para nasa confession room ka.
Sorry po.
No, but we love Kai being so candid in all of her answers. And tama naman, di ba? Again, welcome to the taping world. Kaya saludo ko sa mga actors and actresses because that's part of the job. The waiting game. But kung ganito naman yung family na kasama mo, it's so fun. And also, yung, di ba, ang ganda ng location nyo. So you have the opportunity to unwind and relax over there. The last question right now is dedicated to Uno. Okay, no pressure, Sir Joel.